can kind of think of a page in Guru as a sort of like bulletin board. It's a kind of curation of all the greatest hits of information, whether it's, Guru cards, or whether it's, slide decks that are living in Google, or Excel sheets, or project plans that are living in other tools. Anything that you really want to make sure your team or your company is aware of, and make it easy for them to access is a good candidate for something to put on a page. So use a page anytime you want to create that sort of central hub for your organization or team. Another big use case for pages is onboarding. You're new to the company, you don't know where to go. You create a page that's just for your new hires, and they can land on that page inside of Guru and know exactly what the information is that they're supposed to consume. You can put routines in there. You can put checklists in there that they need to make sure that they complete during their onboarding process. So in terms of what you should put on a page, again, anything that's go-to commonly used resources, no matter where they live, and any pertinent updates about the event or product or team or anything like that. Again, kind of thinking about it like a bulletin board can be helpful. You've got a lot of stuff in your collections. I'm sure you've got a lot of information living everywhere. What's the sort of greatest hits? What are people going to a lot? What do you want people to be aware of and raise awareness of? Put those on a page.